In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize text widgets in a design tool to really make your project stand out. This process is straightforward, but by paying attention to each step, you can ensure your text is impactful and aligns perfectly with your overall design aesthetic. Let's start by selecting the text widget you want to customize. This could be anything from a heading to a text editor, depending on your project's needs. Once you've chosen your widget, we'll dive into the styling options that will help you personalize your text to suit your design vision. Next, navigate over to the Style tab and find Typography. This section is your playground for text customization. Here, you can explore a variety of options that will allow you to manipulate your text's appearance. Begin by selecting a font family. This choice is crucial as it sets the tone for your entire design, whether you want something bold and striking or a more subdued and elegant look. Once you've chosen a font family that resonates with your style, consider the font weight. This adjusts the thickness of your text, providing an opportunity to highlight certain parts of your project by drawing visual attention to them. A bolder font might suggest importance, whereas a lighter one could communicate subtler messages. Now, let's talk about size. Adjusting the font size ensures that your text is readable and proportional to other elements on the page. Remember, readability is key, and your audience should be able to easily digest the information without straining. It's also a good idea to consider the context in which your text will appear, as larger sizes work well in headings, whereas smaller ones are typically suited for body text. Line height is another important aspect to consider. It impacts the spacing between lines of text. Adequate line height is essential for clarity, making it easier for viewers to follow along with your content without becoming overwhelmed by crowded text blocks. Similarly, pay attention to letter and word spacing. Adjustments here can profoundly affect text readability and the overall aesthetic of your design. Subtle increases or decreases can influence the pacing and flow of your reader's experience. Lastly, in this section, think about decoration. This includes adding underlines, strike-throughs, or even overlines, depending on the message you want to convey or the creative flair you wish to add to your project. But what if you want to maintain consistency across multiple widgets or pages? That's where global fonts come into play. Head back to the typography section and click on the globe icon. Here, you can select from preset global styles such as primary, secondary, text, or accent styles, which help keep your project coherent and unified. This feature is especially handy in maintaining brand consistency or when working within a larger design team. And that's it. You've now mastered the essential tools for customizing text widgets, giving you the flexibility to create visually appealing designs with ease. Play around with these settings until everything feels just right. Thank you for watching, and I hope this empowers you to elevate your text designs with confidence.